Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, your bank balance disappears before the month even ends? You work hard, you make money, but somehow, you're still broke. It's not just about how much you earn, but how you spend. Let's talk about 5 spending habits that are keeping you poor, and how to break them starting today. Habit 1. Impulse spending. You see a limited time only sale, 60% off? It feels like you're saving money, right? Wrong. This is a trap. You're not saving money. You're spending money you never planned to. Here's a fix. Before you buy anything non-essential, try the 24-hour rule. Wait a day and see if you still want it. Chances are, you won't. A pro tip. Add items to your wish list instead of the cart. It helps delay impulse purchases. Habit 2. Living on credit. Credit cards make spending feel painless, until the bill arrives. Many people treat credit like free money, but let's be real, it's just a debt trap waiting to happen. Here's a fix. Use your credit card only if you can pay the full balance every month. If you're swiping for everyday expenses and paying minimum dues, you're basically donating money to the bank in interest fees. A hack for this habit of yours: try the cash-only method for entertainment and shopping. If you don't have the cash, you don't buy it. Habit 3. Overspending on food and drinks. Your daily coffee, your weekend takeout, those midnight food deliveries, they add up fast. Before you know it, you've spent 5,000 rupees on food in a month without realizing. Here's a fix. Set a food budget and challenge yourself. 1 month of meal prepping can save you 3,000 rupees. Instead of 4 takeouts a week, limit it to 1. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And here's a fun hack. Calculate the cost of each takeout in hours worked. If your meal costs 500 rupees and you make 250 rupees per hour, is that meal really worth 2 hours of your work? Mind-blowing, right? Habit 4. Subscription overload. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Gym, Apple Music. Do you even use them all? Probably not. These small charges quietly drain your money every month. Here's a fix. Do a subscription audit every 3 months. Cancel the ones you barely use and switch to cheaper or family plans. Here's a challenge for you. Add up your subscription fees for a year. It'll shock you. That's money you could have invested. Imagine the possibilities. Habit 5. Lifestyle inflation. You get a salary hike and suddenly you deserve a better phone, a new wardrobe, and fancier restaurants. Sound familiar? This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's why so many high earners still struggle financially. Here's a fix. Instead of upgrading everything, follow this rule. For every 1,000 rupees increase in income, save or invest at least 500. This way your wealth grows, not just your expenses. Want to take control of your money and break these habits? I've made it easy for you. Grab my free 5-minute budget plan PDF to track your spending and start saving. Link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a like. Comment with your worst spending habit and hit subscribe for more tips on achieving financial